Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do an unboxing video about the Hermès Kelly 25 bag. I recently got it and I'm so excited. Yeah, this is the white bag, and if you know, you know what's going to be inside the bag. So yeah, this is the white bag. I give it to you for security reasons, and in this white bag is the orange bag. So here is the box. Oh, it's so pretty. I chose this little twilly here as well. My SA put it on the bag as I wanted to see how she wraps the twilly around the bag. So isn't she gorgeous? It's a black 25, as you already know, with gold hardware and Togo leather and the retourné style. Yeah. And I just love it. It's so cute and elegant and versatile at the same time. So yeah, let's put this little felt tissue here of the bag. Oh, it's so beautiful, and I love the smell of the leather, and it feels so luxurious here, so soft. So this is the lock. So beautiful. It's quite heavy though. Yeah. And the strap. And I was planning to do another video with yeah, some outfits, how I'm going to wear this this Kelly bag. Let me know what you think. And yeah, it's so beautiful. I took some close-up pictures of the bag for you so you have a better idea of how this bag really looks like. So look at this beauty and this grainy soft texture that Togo leather is known for. And let's get into some more details. The Kelly features Hermès signature turn lock, which I love so much. And I find that gold hardware adds just a perfect touch of elegance to it. And inside we have a beautiful spacious interior with a pocket on one side and a zip pocket on the other. And the interior is fully lined with smooth leather, which adds to that luxurious feel. And I just love that 25 size, as I find it spacious enough for my daily essentials. As the Kelly 25 comes with a detachable shoulder strap, you can wear it over your shoulder for hands-free moments, as a top handbag, or crossbody, which is also a great option. I find it versatile, elegant, and so practical at the same time, and I think it's a perfect bag for both day and evening. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the retourné style, the same as I have, or if you prefer the silly style. I'm interested to know what style you like. See you in the next video. Bye!